Put it in a bag. When you see them rags, they suck up like my ass. Like,
hey guys, we're here. We're finally here. We're here. Say hi. Say hi. Hey.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, say hi to my vlog.
Am I gonna appear on your channel?
Depends on my mood when I'm editing.
Most likely.
Say hi, Miss Bombard. We're here in the caves. We'll update you guys later.
that's what I'm saying, bro. I have like a list of everything.
Where are we?
Bro, that's exactly what my parents say every time they film.
Where are we? This is slippery.
No, you know what I know?
Okay, so this is very nice. We're going to the caves now. That's pretty.
Oh my god.
That's so pretty, Megan.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
Marcel's gonna be the first one to fall.
No, I say it's Did she hear?
Yes, I put 7 rings as my background. Come at me.
Actually,
We're out, thank God. That was really nice, but there was like low oxygen in there.
The spooks, bro.
Got kind of dizzy, and now we're back out.
The spooky dookie.
Look at the couple right here. We're here, we're gonna eat, and I'm trying this juice for the first time. Let's play word association. Oh yes, oh yes.
Why do they gotta be the brown ones though?
Put on our
Y'all
clothes.
pants can't do this, can they?
Yeah, we don't want it to do
We
this.
want to have sex in this lifetime.
Okay, large guy.
Out on camera, Taylor Hart, naked. Everyone come see it.
No way I'm gonna get
I was led astray. Day you walked away. You were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind. When love's so hard to find. Your feelings changed like the weather. Went from clear to gray. All that time became. How can I go on with a cup falling apart? Love's so hard to find. When someone's on your mind. Listen, baby. Your wish is my command. Baby, won't you understand that your wish is my command? What can I do to make my baby understand?
The tension is real between me and Taylor.
No, bro, there's not.
Yeah.
Before we get to how our day was, let's look a bit at the room. So Gio has some chemistry homework to do right now. So I'm taking over. I'm taking over for the time being. So first off,
You're squeaking in the middle of the night, I will shout.
so first off,
So rockin', don't come a knockin'.
we're at a pousada, which is basically a shitty motel, pretty much. Over here, we have Gio
Doing something illegal using my phone.
his chemistry homework
Yes, in Portuguese.
in Portuguese. And then here we have Gio's bed, messy as always, because he's a messy person.
What?
This is Gio's luggage. Of course, it's messy.
Why is this back here?
So over here, we have my bed, which is pretty much...
Look at me, I have the full set going on. I got this, I got
Yeah, see, there's a nice dégradé here in my sleeping bags. Alright, that's my drip right here. Moving on to Gustavo's bed. Gustavo isn't blessed, so he doesn't have a bed sheet. And here we have Pietro, who is in his sad boy hour.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm just kind of feeling dizzy right now.
That means... Oh, gosh.
That's my ass.
That's my corner.
Yeah. That is your corner.
No, that's not.
Ryan has brownies.
They're delicious.
Make your own brownies, Maddie. It's Ryan's crib, which is broken apparently. Okay,
First,
so
I almost missed the bus. I was supposed to be at school 5:45. My house is 25 minutes away from school. Look at the car, like immediately didn't stop at one red light, went like full speed, almost
you
died.
probably shouldn't say that.
You low-key mad at Gus. Let's guess why. What's tomorrow?
No, you sound like Marcelo right now.
What day is it?
Not though.
Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. No, it's Valentine's Day.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bro, what are you gonna do for Valentine's Day? You can't just take her to a cave.
I'll take her to 2 Ks.
What? Wait, this is off the record. What did you get your girlfriend?
Bro, we're not together.
Oh,
don't give a shit. Invited me to her house once, so I'm still waiting for the second like invite. Like,
oh, I guess we all know what that means.
Would that be so?
They're gonna play Mario Kart together.
Don't you feel like if you
Okay.
hooked up with her, like it would just kind of like mess the entire high school up?
Why?
Because I don't know. I feel like it would be
Because okay, I know why. It's because you're friends with him.
Gio actually has a jealousy complex about me, so
But we locked all the doors.
there's Big Rye and his white teeth.
yes. Okay, open up. Someone open up.
We're sleeping.
No one's
Sorry, we can't open up.
Wait, we locked the door.
Hey, make sure y'all get the key, dog.
No, it's locked from. Oh no, you can open it.
Lights out now.
Have a good night.
I don't want to come here. Don't want to come here. Okay. 6:30 will be knocking on your door.
Bro, turn the lights off.
Okay, wait. I need to change to my PJs. Look, no one.
Hey guys, I don't appreciate this kind of tomfoolery past bedtime. So if we can keep it down.
Okay, let's go to Guys, look at my cheeks.
You look like the Little Mermaid.
Illegal.
That's so sensual.
What's that?
If someone were to just like start swearing in Portuguese, we would not get in trouble for it.
Taylor is upside down right now.
That's crazy.
Gus has a foot fetish.
Guys, did you just say you have a foot fetish?
I don't have a foot fetish.
I want everyone to say something they're grateful for today.
I'm grateful for Giovani wanting to go to sleep, so let's all go to sleep right now and good night.